Timber versus steel in mid-rise buildings. Which is the better choice? Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, your go-to channel for civil and structural engineering insights. If you're passionate about construction and structural innovation, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. When designing mid-rise buildings, typically between 4 to 12 stories tall, choosing the right structural material is critical. Timber and steel are two of the most widely used materials, each offering distinct advantages and challenges. But which one is better suited for modern mid-rise construction? Let's explore the key differences. Understanding timber in mid-rise construction. Timber, especially engineered wood products like cross-laminated timber, CLT, glue-laminated timber, GLULAM, and laminated veneer lumber, LVL, has gained popularity as a sustainable and lightweight construction material. Unlike traditional wood, engineered timber offers enhanced strength, durability, and fire resistance, making it a viable option for mid-rise structures. One of timber's greatest advantages is its environmental sustainability. Trees absorb carbon dioxide during their growth, making timber a carbon-negative material. Additionally, engineered wood products are lightweight, reducing the need for deep foundations and lowering overall construction costs. However, timber has limitations. Moisture and pests can degrade wood over time if not properly treated. Fire resistance is also a major concern, although modern fire-retardant treatments and thicker timber sections can provide sufficient protection. Additionally, tall timber buildings require specialized engineering solutions to meet structural and fire codes. Understanding steel in mid-rise construction. Steel is a high-strength, durable, and flexible material that has long been a favorite in mid-rise and high-rise buildings. It can support heavy loads, allowing for longer spans, open floor plans, and taller structures compared to timber. One of steel's biggest advantages is its fire resistance. While steel can weaken at extremely high temperatures, modern fireproof coatings and encasements help improve its fire performance. Steel is also immune to pests, rot, and moisture damage, making it a low-maintenance choice for long-term durability. However, steel has downsides. It is heavier than timber, which increases foundation loads and construction costs. Additionally, steel production has a high carbon footprint, making it less environmentally friendly. While recycling steel helps mitigate this issue, it still doesn't match timber's sustainability. Key differences and applications. Strength and durability. Steel offers higher strength and durability, making it ideal for taller mid-rise buildings and structures requiring large open spaces. Sustainability. Timber is the clear winner when it comes to eco-friendliness, offering a lower carbon footprint and renewable sourcing. Fire resistance. Both materials can be engineered for fire safety, but steel generally performs better in extreme fire conditions. Construction speed. Timber prefabrication allows for faster construction, while steel requires precise on-site assembly. Cost and maintenance. Timber is often cheaper upfront, but maintenance and fireproofing costs may be higher. Steel has higher initial costs, but requires less long-term maintenance. Which material is the better choice? The answer depends on the project's goals and priorities. If sustainability, lightweight construction, and prefabrication are key factors, timber is the best choice. However, if strength, fire resistance, and durability are the top priorities, steel is the superior option. Conclusion. Both timber and steel have their place in mid-rise construction. Timber's eco-friendliness and ease of construction make it a strong contender for sustainable projects, while steel's strength and resilience ensure long-lasting performance. Want to learn more about structural materials? Subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for expert insights into engineering and construction. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next one.